And now I want to show you 4 different design rings that I am in love with them. One is this skull ring, the bird. I'm going to show you the bee and the mermaid. We have mermaid, we have bee, and yeah, these are different. And if you love different style, different things, specific statement, unique, look at this little bee with crystals. This one I got in Mexico. Wow, I love this one. Then this mermaid, oh my god, this is cute. Look at the mermaid. Can you see? Wow. Look at the mermaid. Oh my god. That's it. It's adjustable. You can adjust the size on your finger. So easy. The bird. This one is a little bit oxidized. I can brush it, it becomes more. Bird sitting on the branch. Look at this. That's cute. Love it. And my favorite one. Of course, many of them are my favorite one, but this is really nice. I love this skull ring with the crystals and then with the colors. You see, it makes it so special with the pink and green colors, flourish. This is one of a kind, and that's all. Which one was your favorite one? The mermaid, the bee, the bird, or the skull ring? Comment below, and don't forget to watch my other videos that I just created for you.